Hello and welcome to this week's Vaticano Updates, the most important news from the Holy Father and the Vatican. The second session of the Vatican Synod on Synodality is underway. A cornerstone of Pope Francis's papacy, it began on October the 2nd. One of the topics discussed last year is the role of women and the possibility of female deacons. However, Cardinal Victor Manuel Fernandez, the prefect of the Dicastery for the Doctrine of the Faith, has already said that women deacons are not being considered, at least for now. Follow our daily updates on the Synod on EWTN and at EWTNVatican.com. The Feast of the Rosary was celebrated on Monday, October the 7th, with Pope Francis urging Catholics worldwide to pray the Rosary for peace and an end to war. In this dramatic hour, the Pope said, as the winds of war and fires of violence devastate nations, the Christian community is called to serve humanity. On October the 10th, Taiwan celebrated its National Day, marking its 113th anniversary. Taiwan's ambassador to the Holy See, Matthew Lee, called for decisive and concrete actions to secure peace, quoting Pope Francis. The Holy See has had diplomatic ties with Taiwan for 82 years, but does not maintain relations with the People's Republic of China. Be open to the gift of life, Pope Francis urged married couples in his Sunday Angelus address. Recalling a recent meeting with a father of 8, the Pope called it a great consolation. Speaking from the Apostolic Palace on October the 6th, he encouraged couples to reflect on their openness to children. Pope Francis has repeatedly voiced concern over Europe's demographic winter, with countries like Italy facing historically low birth rates. St. Peters Basilica has announced the completion of the restoration of St. Peters Baldachin, which stands above the main altar and marks the tomb of the Apostle Peter, as well as the chair of St. Peter in the chapter hall. The restored work of Bernini will be unveiled on October the 27th. Thank you again for watching this week's Vaticano Updates in Rome. Andreas Tonhauser for EWTN Vaticano.